First, I'm taking Spirit Halloween's black and white makeup kit and using the black crayon from that to outline the half skull, bones, and teeth. The crayon gives you a lot of control and makes it really easy to map out the shapes of the look. I'm then using the black paint to create the hollowed out space for the holes between bones. With the white paint, I'm carefully filling in all of the areas between the black. The cream paint is perfect for this because it's much more opaque than other face or grease paints. Once I filled everything in with white, I'm going back in with the black paint to further define the skull look. I'm adding some shading around the edges of the bones and then blending it out. I'm also being sure to do this around the teeth to create depth. When I'm all done shading the skull, I'm using some of Spirit Halloween's black cream makeup to deepen the color of the shadows and define the lines more clearly, especially around the teeth. On my eyes, I'm using Spirit Halloween's double eyeliner pen to create some bold, sharp wings and finish up the look. And our final result is a beautiful half skull design that can easily be created using Spirit Halloween's makeup products.